Hello everyone. Welcome to the Best of IPM series. My name is Jaimin Shah and this question is from IPMAT 2020 QA MCQ section. Pause the video, try this question on your own and then come back for the solution.
Hello everyone. If you like our content and want to experience the IMS pedagogy, then join our zero fee PEP program that will give you access to concept videos, sectional test and full-length mock test and many more for free. To avail this, please click on the link mentioned under the description box below. Happy learning!
A very interesting question which says that a 2 by 2 matrix is given to us with a 4 distinct integers randomly chosen from the given set and the probability of a matrix generated in such a way is singular is. Now, so that's a combination of concepts, matrix as well as you'll have to use permutation and probability concept as well. Before that, you need to know what is singular when the matrix is singular. The matrix is singular when the determinant is 0. When the determinant is 0, right? So let the matrix be A, B, C, D. And all these 4 integers need to be distinct, right? What is the determinant of this? The determinant will be AD minus BC. So the product of two numbers should be equal to the product of other two numbers, only then you can say the determinant is equal to 0, right? Only then you can say determinant to be equal to 0. So we need to find out the pairs where the products are equal. So one I can see that 2 into 3 is 6 and 1 into 6 is also 6. So one of the number is 1, the another number is 6, one of the number is 2 and the another number is 3. Now is there any other way that I can find out? Any other way apart from product 6? I can say that 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 into 6 is also 12. So 3 into 2 is 12 and 3 into 4 is 12, right? 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 into 6 is 12, correct? So there are two ways. Mind it here guys, there are not two ways, there are multiple ways. Why? Because A and D can interchange their position, right? A and D can interchange their position in two ways. At the same time, B and C can also interchange the position in two more ways, correct? Now, 1 and 6, the values that we have given to D, A and D, that values can also be given to B and C. So there are further 2 more ways. So there are total of 8 ways here and there are 8 ways here, right? So total there are 16 ways in which we can generate a singular matrix. So my numerator is going to be 16. Now I need to find out what should be my denominator. Okay, so the denominator is basically selecting 4 random values, 4 distinct values from the given 6 and arranging them, right? So basically we are looking at 6p4. So that will be 16 upon 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So that's 4 za, that's 1 za, that's 2 za and that's 3 za. So the answer is 2 by 45 and that's the first option. So this is the replica question for you. Try this question, comment the right option in the comment box and we will get back to you with the right answer within 24 hours.